REI Capital Growth. Real estate investing reinvented. We are REI Capital Growth, a U.S. private equity company, and we are launching a new kind of real estate fund. We are bringing the immense wealth-generating power of the U.S. commercial real estate market to everyday investors around the world. The wealthiest families in the world, the top 1%, have grown their wealth with commercial real estate for generations. They have had exclusive access to buy investment-grade commercial real estate and hold these assets for the long term. They reinvest a majority of the rental income into more real estate and grow their wealth exponentially. To quote Warren Buffett, our favorite holding period is forever. The REI Capital Growth mission is to bring smart digital asset investment strategies to everyday investors for the first time. Traditional U.S. real estate investment funds are REITs, or real estate investment trusts. They raise money from equity investors to purchase a property. The tenants of the newly purchased property will pay rent, and the IRS requires the REIT to distribute 90% of the annual profit back to the equity investors in the form of taxable dividends. The equity investor's dividend or profit is taxed annually as regular income. Even if the REIT reinvests your profit for you, you will still get the tax bill. The whole purpose of the REIT structure is to make the equity investors pay tax on 90% of the real estate income every year. The wealthy top 1% do not grow their wealth by investing with the REIT structure. REI Capital Growth's real estate fund is different. We raise equity to purchase properties, and the tenants of those properties will pay us rent. However, instead of distributing that profit to the investors, we will reinvest the profit and acquire more properties. REI Capital Growth is not a REIT. With our strategy, the fund will increase the amount of rental income generated annually, increasing the amount of additional properties that can be acquired each year, creating an exponentially expanding portfolio of assets within the fund. Each equity investor will own a share of the real estate fund and will earn their profits through the ever-increasing value of the fund. Unlike traditional real estate funds, the increase in REI Capital Growth equity share value will not be subject to annual income tax to be paid by the investors. REI Capital Growth will pay its taxes at the corporate level, which is a much lower rate than the investor's personal tax rate. Investor profits will only be taxed when they choose to sell their equity shares and will only then be subject to the lower capital gains tax rate. Removes the costly intermediaries that prevent small investors from participating in the greatest asset class in the world. Fulfilling our mission to enable everyday investors to truly invest in commercial real estate and grow their wealth like the top 1%. To our knowledge, there are no other US-based real estate funds that operate in this manner. If an investment product like this appeals to you, please like and share this video and let us know by requesting our white paper and invest directly with us. REICapitalgrowth.com. REICapitalgrowth.com.